Dyer is planning to leave £500,000 to his beloved bulldog, to wind up his missus. The ex-EastEnders actor, worth an estimated £4 million, was asked if he had made plans for his inheritance. He revealed, "Most of my kids and my family will get a nice chunk, but I'd also like to leave a nice chunk to my dog Debbie." But Danny, 45, admits part of the reason is out of guilt. He explained, "I got her just before the pandemic, and what I didn't realize about bulldogs is they look effing sad all the time. So I feel I need to give her something or get some proper carers for her, give her a flat with a carpet. Give her whatever she wants out of guilt." But he added mischievously, "Also, it would wind my missus up. She'd be like, 'You've given effing £500,000 to effing Debbie?'" The star, who was speaking on Kathy Burke's podcast Where There's a Will, There's a Wake, married childhood sweetheart Joe in 2016. They have children Danny, Sunny, and Artie. Danny once described bulldog Debbie as his illegitimate child. He said, "Debbie is an incredible little thing. But it's quite hard work. I've also got a wife that hates animals. It's like I've brought in a child from another marriage."
Now take